Hi everyone, I am super excited to get my paper pumpkin. This is the December paper pumpkin and it is called Lots of Pun. I'm looking forward to this one because I like funny, kind of snarky cards sometimes. And this one was cute when I saw the preview ad was adorable. So let's take a look at this stamp set. Look how big this stamp set is, first of all. I mean, that's a big stamp set. You are cherry sweet. I'm sorry, that's the pits. So that would go with the cherry images. How cute. I pick you. Thanks a bunch. Peel better soon. Celebrate. Go bananas. Let's grow mold together. Ew. A toast to your success. You tell the best yolks. Have an excellent day. Excited for you. I loaf you. And then, okay, so of course you've got bread for the loaf and stuff like that, the mold probably. Toast to your success. Eggs for the yolks and the egg-sided. And bananas for the bunch. And go bananas. And then the cherries. So super cute. And then you have things to decorate your little images. So you can put faces on your fruit and food. You can put a mustache on your banana or your eggs. There's a little splatter, a party hat on your toast. I mean, so funny. Super cute little stamp set, I have to say. Really cute. I love the glasses. My banana's going to have glasses. I can just tell. Okay, this is an ad for next month, and I'll tell you about that in a second. So the color this month is Early Espresso. Okay. Oh, we got cute little hearts and things. That's already adorable. Oh, so cute. Let's look at the close up. All right, scissors. I can tell that I'm really going to like this one, and I can tell I'm going to want refills. Okay. Here is the instruction sheet showing you the cards as they plan. Look at these envelopes. Let's take a look at those up close. Here is some really cute, and of course you can customize these because there's so many options here. Okay, so you've got some embellishments. There's some linen thread and some cute little enamel shapes and hearts and cute little colors. Here are those envelopes. Look at these. So cute. So you've got 3 of this one. 3 of that one. Love the envelopes. And look at this one. Adorable little envelopes. Okay, and then we have our card bases. That one. It's got some cute little accents already on there. This one. And this one. Okay. And then, oh, they've got some pre-stamped. Okay, so this looks like a window, and that's what they show here. So you can see the cherries going through that window. And then little word bubbles, speech bubbles, so your banana can actually talk, or your cherries can talk. And then a little window. And then, of course, once you pop this out for your window, you can save this and use it on something else, too. So that's real cute. Here's some little decorative strips here. Look at these little things. Eggs, cherries, banana, and toast. So funny. And then, of course, when you run out of those, you can use the stamp ones to do them again. Here's some vellum pieces that goes on there. Some hellos, cute little scallops, all kinds of fun little accents. This is an adorable kit. Seriously. Let's look up close. Hopefully you can see that. I really like this one. So as you know, if you've seen me open my boxes before, this is your instruction sheet, how to. I always buy extras. So I bought one for myself, and then I buy a bunch of extras. And if you contact me, you can see if I still have any. I sometimes have some from the past month. I think I'm out of the Christmas one. I do have some of the one that was from last month. That was the gift box Christmas with the snowman. I think I have one more of that one. But sometimes I have some from past months, so let me know if you're looking for anything in particular. Or I do have this one for a little while anyway. This one's going to go fast, I think, because look how cute it is. Super cute. Now, next month's paper pumpkin is about love. And here's a preview of something that's in the kit. Oh, you can see you're going to get some X's and O's. And this looks like a heart-shaped card. This is kind of like a little sneak peek. And look at the inside of the envelope. There's some gold foil on there. So this is really pretty. And this is going to be the January kit. And they're only showing you the one, but you know, it's going to be similar in this. So kind of a pretty, more elegant. This is more fun and cutesy. This one looks pretty and elegant, I'm going to say. Looks like there's going to be some sequins in the box. So it's coming up soon, very soon. We're having Celebration again. And that happens every like kind of January, February. And so what happens during that is you get a free Celebration item with a purchase. So if you purchase a $50 purchase, I should say. So here they're trying to show you, if you get a 3-month prepaid subscription, that costs more than $50. So therefore, you will get one free item from the Celebration catalog. If you do a 6-month prepaid, you can get 2 items from the Celebration catalog at level 1, or you can get one of the more larger items, the level 2 item, for free. Okay, and then a 12-month subscription, prepaid subscription, will get you 4 or 2, 4 of the level 1s, or 2 of the larger bundles. So if you decide that you want to get Paper Pumpkin on your own and not have to worry about missing a month, you can do this and sign up after January 4th, not January 1, January 4th, it's kind of tricky. January and February, you can get that and get in on those special deals. Let me show you the Celebration catalog real quick. Okay, so here it is. Oh, I'm not allowed to show it yet. I can't show it till January 4th. I almost made a mistake. Okay. But I can show you the items, and I have them. So I don't have all of them, but I have a lot of them. Okay, here they are. So I'm going to show you the level 1s first. So this is free with a $50 purchase. You can choose Awesome Otters. Super cute. Adorable. This is going to be like, you know, there's usually one that sells out fast and everybody loves, and it's going to be this one, I think. Driving By. Super cute. Good for all kinds of things. Holiday, birthday. You can kind of decorate these as birthday gifts or Christmas gifts. Really cute. This one's called Catching Butterflies. I think she's so sweet. Love that one. Okay, those are free with a $50 purchase. Also, this paper is free with a $50 purchase, and it's got, I think there's 6 different colors, and it's just kind of like tone on tone, so you kind of use these with everything. See, gray and blue. Very pretty. Rainbow paper. Now I did a video all about Celebration already, so you can take a look at that. But the rainbow paper is called Sunshine and Happiness. Sunshine and Rainbows. Really cute paper. This is free with a $50 purchase starting January 4th. Doesn't have to be Paper Pumpkin. It's free with any $50 purchase. But if you're watching this video, it's because you like Paper Pumpkin. So there's ways to earn with your subscription. And that's a prepaid subscription. Okay, now there's a couple that are free with a $100 purchase, and that would be this bundle. It's paper and a stamp set that go together. So the paper has these images within the paper. Very pretty. And you can imagine creating all kinds of lovely things with that. Isn't that pretty? There's that bird. Gorgeous. And the stamp set, which is a big one, so it's a $100 purchase, Special Moments, and it has something for everyone. Really great. Love this one. Oh, there was one more. I had it out because I was going to play around with it. Dandelion, or not dandelion, daffodil, sorry. We used to have a dandelion. Daffodil paper. It's called Daffodil Afternoon. Let me show you one that I like the most. See if I can, I love this little gate check. Little tiny patterns on one side and kind of larger, bolder patterns on the other. There was one I really liked. I think it's this one. It's kind of fun because you can cut it in half and then cut for card fronts, so you can get like a bunch of background papers for your cards with one little, it's kind of already stamped for you, and then you can imagine just adding a sentiment. Super simple but beautiful. Anyway, those are the Celebration items. This is the Lots of Pun Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you missed out on it and want one, let me know, and I'll be happy to see if I still have some for you. Thanks for watching. Bye!